This video we're going to be looking at Revit annotations. That can take the form of a few different things inside of Revit. It could be tags, it could be dimensions, it could just be text. So let's go ahead and start looking at a 3D view. If I wanted to, let's say, tag my walls in here, it's going to let you know that you're going to lock your 3D view. So you're going to go in here, find this button right down here, save orientation and lock. Let's call this 3D axon. Now you can't leave that default name because that is the name of your default 3D view. Typically when you're in a work shared model, that 3D in brackets will show you your username as well. I'm going to go ahead and hit OK. And now that it's locked, I can go in and tag my walls. You can also tag things like curtain walls, mullions, doors, any number of things. Now let's go to a plan view. So in this plan, we're seeing a couple of things that are considered annotations. Grids, technically not, they are datums, but something that you'll typically find on your grid lines is some dimensions. So I'm going to go ahead, draw a couple of dimensions here. Now one thing you're noticing here, to do your dimensions, you click and then you select another thing. Once you're done, you just click out into an empty space. If you hit escape, it's going to be canceled. So you can make sure you just click into an empty space. Now this is a string, as you can see here. It'll automatically adjust, and it also lets me move my grid lines if I wanted to. And then this one's just one long grid line or dimension string. A little bit of a tip: if you had wanted this one to also include grid line B, you can go in and say edit witness line, and then just select what you missed, and then again click on an empty space. You can also break these. So if you click on it, you're selecting the whole string. If you tab, you can select a portion of it, delete it, and now you're left with what's here. Now, we looked at tags in 3D. You can also tag in plan, so you can see here. And there's a couple of things here too when you're placing elements. If I try to place a door, there is an option here where if you want things to be tagged automatically as you're placing them, you can click on this to enable it. You'll notice that when I place my door, it comes tagged. I gotta undo that. Same with rooms. If I wanted to place a room, RM, and then you can see here it remembers that you want things tagged on this placement. If you uncheck, you can see it's just the room, and if I have it clicked, you can see the room name tag. So that's been annotations in a quick overview. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Got any questions? Head over to bimdad.com and let us know. And of course, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on future content. See you in the next one.